So, hi guys, I'm girls, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm finally back on. I'm going to do a video for once, and not just Ben and Darren talking about 45 package and buy this and this and this. Actually doing some work on an engine. So, give you a bit of a backstory about this engine is this guy bought this engine about 5 years ago, I believe. It was stored for ages and ages and ages. Anyway, we're finally getting to it. So we decided to take the sump off, take the head off, and just check everything and re-lube it because it wasn't worth not doing. So that's what we've done. We took the head off, obviously. It's got stage 1 cams. Unfortunately, on reassembly, the threads went in the studs in the head. So we've had to send it back off and get some time certs, I think they're called. Get those fitted. But now we're going to reassemble it, get it all back together, and we're gonna show you through, get it back in the car and running and stuff. So let's go. So the spec of what this bloke decided to go for a couple of years ago is, so it's a linered block, Marla pistons. I think they're K1 rods or something. I can't remember, to be honest with you. So obviously big liners take a lot of horsepower. You're not going to have any problems with a crack liner, which is what really you don't want. I'm going to get the head gasket on, get the head on, get it torqued up. Mikey's going to do some sexy stuff with his video and whatever. Got the head, it's all torqued up and everything like that now. So next up I'm going to do the cams and the rocker cover. So let's get that. So first off, some lube. Stage 1 Newman cams going back in. And then when the cams are in, I'm going to fill all of these up with a bit of oil. Next up, you've got the rocker cover going on. Please use the proper anaerobic sealant. Use it on the sump and the rocker cover. So, rocker cover ready. Got lube on the inside and the anaerobic sealant as well. So let's flip this and put it on. Bagger. And then put the 46 bolts in. So next up, it's all about timing, and that's what we need to do next. We need to fit this one and that one, time it up, cam belt, done. Brand new cam belt going on. We've also got obviously the 2 tensioners and a brand new water pump as well. So let's get this baby timed up. Right, so that's it now. We're all timed up back together. Next thing to do is to fit all of the stuff. So turbo, side cover, pulleys, inlet manifold, all that stuff. Got a few other little bits and bobs to fit as well. So like a new oil filter housing, new clutch, a few other little bits and bobs, spark plugs and stuff like that. So we're going to fit them and get this in and get it running. Turbo time. So turbo's on, everything, the back's on, oil, cooling, everything like that, so the back's done. So I've had the lower inlet in the wash, so I'm gonna throw this on next. So, boom! So next up, we've got the wiring loom, which is gonna go on. I've also tarted it up with some loom tape just to make it look better as well. So let's get this on. Next up, we've got brand fire new RS clutch going in, LUK, new bolts, everything, the lot, so let's get that on. So engine and gearbox and everything now is in. So it's just a case now of fitting drive shafts, radiator, some of the boring stuff basically. It's had a new down pipe that's knackered. So I think we'll come back to you when we're probably doing the fluids, and then we're ready to start then. So engine is now in, it's all complete. It's basically ready to start. So next up we've got to fill up with some competition miller's oil, power steering fluid, some coolant. I've already done the engine oil, the gearbox oil. So we'll get these in, get it turned over, get some oil pressure, fire it up. So we put all the oil in, put all the fluids in, the coolant. We're going to put the coolant system on pressure test, and then we're also going to now turn it over to get oil pressure. So we've actually got a process of how we do that as well. So we're going to start off with, we're going to take some fuses out, coil packs and the injectors, just so we can turn it over, get some oil pressure. Once we've got oil pressure, we'll then fire it up. So got the key, put it in, we'll crank it over until we get oil pressure. You'll also hear a sound difference as well in the engine when it's starting to get oil pressure. So we'll do that now. So got oil pressure now, light's gone out, but I'm going to do it a couple of more times just to make sure we have actually got oil pressure. So done the priming, so done the oil pressure priming, sorry. So next up we're just going to pull the CARM fuse for a minute, put that back in and ready to fire. So I'm going to start up now. I'm going to run it for maybe 20 to 30 seconds. I'll turn it off and then I'll do a fluid check underneath. There we go, got there in the end. So that's it now. Car is completely finished. We've done the startup, sorry. Next up, I'm just gonna do a small little road test of make sure that it's fine. It's had a, it's had a new down pipe, oil filter housing, RS clutch, right hand engine mount. This is ready now, ready to go. So obviously, if you like these videos, you know, like, subscribe and all that good stuff. Hopefully we'll see you again in the future.